is going to be a review of the UHC 1911. Let's start off. Plastic gun, fully plastic, no metal on this gun. I mean, no metal. Yep, so it's all plastic, no metal parts at all. Usually it has an orange tip right here, but I just took it out, and in doing that, it makes the chamber also visible, so it looks really cool. I might be making a video on that if anybody needs it, but it has nothing to do with how the gun shoots, just makes it look a lot cooler. We got the fake wood hand grip, textured, pretty good quality actually. Surprised by that. Well, UHC is a very good spring brand. If you guys ever use the MP5 SD3, it's an amazing gun. Yep, it has a working hammer. And see this thing right here? You can see that thing. That's a safety that you have to hold onto the back of the gun. I don't know why it's there, but it is. Here's the magazine. This is fully plastic again, heavy, has a weight in it. It must have a weight in it. Uses .12 BBs, holds 20 rounds. And see what's inside. And we got a magazine release right here. So yep, sturdy. It's very sturdy. I haven't mentioned that yet. Pretty hard to cock back actually. And then here's safety. That safety on. Can't even cock it, and you can't shoot it either. You take that off, you can cock it, and trigger is functional. And yep, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so I guess let's get. Oh, and of course it has pistol sights. Standard. Yeah, so UHC 1911. Let's go shoot that. Okay, this is part 2 of my review. And it's a gun, magazine, loaded, .12. Again, shooting about 225 through 250 FPS. And right now, I think I'm going to show you some of the cocking action. So, as you can see, kind of see inside of there, as long as you have the modified barrel. And the outer barrel is visible, and I think it actually looks, I like it this way, kind of silver. It's cocked, and okay, so again, it's not windy at all. I'm going to go down to 35 feet, which is already measured out, and shoot off 20 rounds. Okay guys, sorry it took so long, but I had a jam in the middle of it. Got 2 BBs stuck inside there. That's because I have 2 sheets of paper. So we got one right there. That's the closest one right there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm pretty sure it's 8. It's about 8. Yeah. About 8. So, again, this is 35 feet. You won't really be using a pistol. Oh, yes, you could, but, I mean, these are all kills. They're all going relatively close. That's the first jam I've ever had, and it wasn't really considered a jam. It was really a mag mishap, whatever you want to call it. Yep, so UHC 1911, 0.12 gram BBs, almost half, about almost half shots hit it. So yeah, it's a low cost. I mean, I wouldn't expect anything more than that. UHC is a really good spring brand. Very durable, heavy, reliable, I guess. So if you don't have enough money, I'd say really get it. But if you want to get a better pistol than this, I'd save up and get a Tokyo Mario or something.